Popbiz.
Hello friends, my name is Margesh and today I will throw light on the popcorn business in India. Popcorn business is an excellent way through which one can be a part of small business culture. Friends, as popcorn is an airy and easy to digest snack, folks prefer to have it while sitting in the restaurant, in the offices, watching movies, as well as in fairs. Popcorn is a healthy snacking option and leading foodstuff in the sphere of entertainment and comfort. It has been labeled as economical and wholesome food. The miraculous popcorn is capable of boosting romance in the life of young couples. Sharing popcorn is all about sharing love. Nowadays, people prefer to have popcorn while watching stage shows and movies. One of the most significant advantages that popcorn business owners enjoy is that it's a business of all seasons. Thus, the demand graph always shows an upward or even balanced trend. Now let's have a look at the popcorn market in India. As per the reports, the organized as well as branded popcorn category in India is presently worth Rs 300 crore and has been recorded as a double-digit growth rate steered by fondness, flavor and significant health benefits. The market for popcorn in India is all set to flourish at a CAGR of about 15%. Due to the increasing number of multiplexes as well as soaring popularity of popcorn, small-scale business enthusiasts are striving to commence a popcorn business in India. Now let's come to how to start popcorn business in India. If you are willing to start a popcorn business, you must consider the following points. Market research. If you are planning to start your new business without conducting any market research at an initial level, your business may face several troubles that you won't be able to sort out easily. Market research will be helpful in determining your potential audience. Proper market research will help you know the best platform to reach your audience for selling the products. Initiate your market research activity from today onwards and then you can proceed ahead with drafting a popcorn business plan in India. Business plan. The business plan is one of the most effective and authentic tools that all the small or big businesses must consider with a mission to uplift the infrastructure of their business. Penning down the plan on paper is an ideal activity that all business owners should keep in their minds. Decide a perfect location. Friends, opting for a perfect business location is a monumental decision that requires utmost attention. Choosing a business location is one of the vital aspects of commencing a small business. It can dictate long-term success for your small business venture. Now let's come to the investment needed to start a popcorn business in India. Based on the business scale, the cost of the popcorn machine varies starting from Rs 10,000 to Rs 1 lakh. Raw materials of Rs 10,000 will be required. The packaging cost will be around Rs 10,000. Furthermore, the miscellaneous cost will be around Rs 10,000. The overall investment for this business lies in the range of 10,000 to Rs 1.5 lakh. Raw materials required. You must look for good suppliers in order to acquire raw materials of supreme quality. You can search on the internet about the raw materials used in making popcorn. Make a list that must include suppliers in your region. The raw materials required for commencing a popcorn business in India are high quality corn, the trio of salt, sugar and butter, other ingredients. Now let's come to the equipments needed to initiate popcorn business in India. In order to initiate a popcorn business in India, you should have two types of machinery: popcorn making machine, sealing machine. In case you are planning to sell packed popcorn in cardboard boxes, then there is no need to acquire a sealing machine. Now I will tell you about the license and registration required for popcorn business in India. You can get your growing business registered with the Registrar of Companies. As it is a food related business, you must acquire an FSSAI food license or registration. You may look for obtaining trademark registration by your brand name. You must acquire the GST registration as well. Then you need to apply for MSME Udyog Aadhaar online registration. Now let's come to the popcorn manufacturing process. In case the entrepreneur purchases maize directly from the farmers, he can gain more benefits. For this, the entrepreneur should initially look for separating the corn grains from maize and then can move to the next step of drying them under the sunlight. After drying up these grains, the present corn kernels will be eliminating impurities like corn hair, etc. After that, ghee and salt are adjoined to the heating section of the machine. Then the corn kernels are poured in such a manner that the grains are being converted into popcorn because of heat. The machine is solely responsible for producing popcorn well. After the popcorn becomes ready, the entrepreneur must march ahead for moisture resistant packaging of popcorn in order to preserve the quality of popcorn when it reaches the hands of ultimate consumers. Now let's come to the profit margin associated with popcorn business in India. The profit margin in the popcorn business in India is generally high. Also, there is enough scope for accelerating the profit margin. The profit or loss in any business depends upon the hard work and effort an individual put on a continuous basis. If you can make the desired effort in the popcorn making business, you can generate good revenue. This business boasts a profit margin of around 80 to 90%. You need to focus on brand promotion and clasp on a large customer base. Friends, the cinema has witnessed a major transformation, be it from black and white screen to 3D. However, the tradition of consuming popcorn during movie time is a must event today. Are you looking for a lucrative small-scale business option? If yes, commence your popcorn business in India and mint a good amount of profit in return for less investment. At Corbridge, we are creating a supportive environment in order to enhance the skill set of business enthusiasts who are all set to prove their mettle in the world of small business ventures. We believe in creating the roadmap for future corporate leaders and entrepreneurs in different domains. Friends, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more informative and interesting videos. Thank you.